Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a hover box to our Wix site. To do that, we need to go over to the top where it says Edit Site. We are going to click on that. Here we are. Now we are going to the left. We are going to click on Add. Then we are going to select Box and then Hover Boxes. And we are going to select one for the example. We are going to use this one right here. We are going to drag and then we are going to release on the page. Now we have a number of things we can do here. We could add more things to our hover box. We could go to add and drag and release more elements to it. We have the text right here. We have an image. And we can, for example, edit the text, leave it in any way we find satisfying. We have fonts, we can change the size, add some transformations, links, select the alignment, add some effects, change the spacing, enable the vertical text, and change some of the SEO settings. There we go. Now, if we click on hover, we can change what happens when we pass the mouse over the box. So if we click on play, it will show us how the effects work. So if we click, for example, on the text, we can select an effect that it will have when we hover. In this case, is grow. If we click on customize, we can select the start growing from the center in this case, and how much it will grow. As you can see, we can make it far larger, and if we do the same for the other, we are going to choose shrink in this case, and it's going to reduce to 50%. There we go. And now we have another options. We can select the timing of the animation. We can give it a duration, for example, of 1 second, and the ease in. We can select, for example, an ease in. We could add delay to the animation as well. And for the other button, we are going to select a second as well, and an ease out for this one right here. And we can change the design as well. We can add some underline, some boldness to the text, maybe change the color, give it a highlight, increase the spacing in the text, change the line spacing. And if we go and click on play, we can see the difference in the animation that happens. We're going to give it 3 second duration, and we are going to choose linear, so we will see the whole of the animation. There we go. And it keeps growing, and the other one shrinks. There we go. Now when we are done, we click on exit on hover, and we can also select on the hover to hide elements while the mouse is on the box, and we click on show and it is back. There we go. So that's it. We have learned how to add a hover box to our Wix site in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might help on the site. See you the next time on Polytech.